Stop compromising yourself for others. Walang umaasensong, ay, sorry. Masyado kang pa-humble, okay? Pinaliit ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo, okay? Mga situation, mga pagkakataon. I'll give you an example, okay? Lumaki akong maraming may ayaw sa akin. You know why? Kasi masyado akong magaling. Masyado akong bida-bida. Okay? Kahit saan mo ko dalhin, talagang gagalingan ko pagsayaw, pagsasalita. Oo, kaya maraming may ayaw sa akin. Okay? And what I do, I shrink myself. Okay? Nililimit ko yung sarili ko. Kasi I don't wanna ruffle feathers. Okay? Ayoko nang nalileft out yung ibang tao. Okay? That's what I did. And I was so wrong. Now, I learned my lesson. No, I even shine. I even shine my light. Okay? Do not ever dim yourself.